In the world of kitchen gadgets, this elite gourmet cordless rechargeable hand blender stands out as a versatile and convenient tool designed to make blending and mixing a breeze. Whether you're whipping up a batch of baby food, blending a smoothie, or mixing up a batch of guacamole, this hand blender promises to deliver efficient and hassle-free performance. Let's dive into the features, performance, and overall value of the Elite Gourmet Cordless Hand Blender. See if it lives up to its claims. The Elite Gourmet Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender is engineered to provide an exceptional blending experience with its powerful motor, user-friendly design, and cordless convenience. Its sleek, dark gray design is not only modern and stylish, but also compact enough to fit into any kitchen setup. Designed to blend, mix, and puree a wide range of foods, this hand blender is built for efficiency and ease of use. One of the standout features of this blender is its cordless functionality. Freed from the constraints of a power cord, you have the flexibility to blend directly in your pots, bowls, or containers without worrying about being tethered to an outlet. This cordless design makes it ideal for both home kitchens and on-the-go use, such as during camping trips or picnics. The Elite Gourmet Hand Blender is powered by a robust 200-watt motor that produces an impressive 13,000 RPM. This power allows the blender to handle a variety of ingredients with ease, from soft fruits and vegetables to more challenging items like nuts or frozen items. Whether you're preparing a smoothie, a batch of soup, or a creamy sauce, the blender's performance is designed to meet your needs. One of the most notable features of this hand blender is its variable speed control. Pressure-sensitive switch and variable speed dial give you complete control over the blending process. You can adjust the speed to suit the consistency you want, whether you're gently blending a soup or aggressively mixing a thick batter. This precision allows for perfect results every time, catering to both delicate and heavy-duty tasks. The 2000 mAh Li-ion rechargeable battery is another highlight, offering up to 30 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. This feature eliminates the hassle of finding an outlet and untangling cords. The battery fully charges in less than 2 hours, making it easy to keep the blender ready for use. Included with the blender are the charger and charging cable, ensuring you have everything you need for seamless operation. The Elite Gourmet Cordless Hand Blender is designed with user comfort in mind. The lightweight, non-slip body ensures that the blender is comfortable to hold, even during extended use. The ergonomic handle is suitable for both left and right-handed users, providing a secure grip and reducing hand fatigue. Blender's one-touch power button simplifies operation, making it easy to start blending with a single press. Pressure-sensitive control allows you to adjust the speed effortlessly, adding to the overall user-friendly experience. Cleaning the hand blender is a breeze, thanks to its detachable stainless steel blade assembly. The blade assembly is easy to disassemble, allowing you to wash it either by hand or in the dishwasher. The main body of the blender can be wiped clean with a soft, damp cloth, ensuring that cleanup is quick and convenient. Note that to prevent overheating, it is recommended to operate the blender in 1-minute intervals or less. Another advantage of the Elite Gourmet Hand Blender is its ability to blend directly in a variety of containers. Whether you're using a mixing bowl, pot, or beaker, the compact design ensures that you can reach all the corners of your container without hassle. This flexibility not only saves time, but also reduces the number of dishes you need to clean. The Elite Gourmet Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, combining power, versatility, and convenience. Its cordless design allows for unrestricted movement, while the powerful motor and variable speed control ensure that you get the results you want. Whether you're a busy home cook, parent preparing baby food, or someone who enjoys making smoothies and soups, this hand blender is designed to meet your needs. The sleek design, ease of use, and simple cleanup make the Elite Gourmet Cordless Hand Blender a practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Its compact size and cordless feature make it a great tool for both everyday use and special occasions. For those in search of a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly hand blender, the Elite Gourmet Cordless Rechargeable Hand Blender is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.